Done.
Crazy. Get those overlays at the same time. Let's see.
I see you already have the pull.
Oh yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm so ready, you don't know how ready I am.
Yeah. That's good.
That is good. Let's see, get the stream overlay.
Yeah, I got a ping on my phone. Yeah, apparently this Lucas guy is streaming today again.
Yo, that guy, he won't
Dang.
stop. Like, what the fuck?
I want to stop streaming that.
Yeah.
What is he doing?
I don't know, bro, but he's on some crack, bruh.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay. Alright. I think I got the chats. Let's see.
Walter,
What?
you make away, Walter.
Yes.
Oh my god. Yo, what's up, Pig? My guy, I started a new project that we finished, not like other in Rust. It's kind of like racing simulator. Nice. It's a racist simulator.
It's a racing simulator. Yo, those racists are really leveling up.
You know, that's what I like to hear. Wait, what?
Want a break from the ads?
Yes.
Alright.
I actually meant to do this one,
Oh shit.
but misclicked.
Bevy is driving me crazy. Yes, that's.
Hey. Yo,
What's
yo,
up?
T-chef in the Greek land.
Yo,
The pig land.
It's in the Greek yogurt land.
Bro, I set up
The Greek
best,
yogurt land.
workout setup is for Greek, bro. Look at my camera.
Wait.
See, bro, this is where.
Yeah, okay.
Bro, this is where I live in Greek.
You live in Greek?
You live here?
Oh,
Dang. He lives in the
right
park.
now. And look. Damn.
Damn, they locked him in a cage.
Look at this
He has
setup.
a chair.
This is where he lives? Is this your gaming setup?
No, because there's
Yo,
no
that's an insane
single
gaming
pull-up
setup.
bar in this whole thing. I'm using this thing as a pull-up bar.
Oh, hell no.
Gains.
Like in pro.
Man.
Yeah, it's insane.
Alright.
That is insane.
That is insane.
Bro, I'm training so much right now.
Damn.
Harold, I
T-chef,
see
is it
you
cold?
logged in also.
I mean, a bit. I don't know. I planned my yesterday like quite shit, so I didn't really have much time. So I just did like 50 pull-ups. But yeah, I had to sleep.
Oh, I know. Nah.
Bro,
But it's something.
You should not be allowed to go to sleep before you have done 100 pull-ups.
Wait. Bro,
What?
I was just walking here, and there's a dead thing. Yeah.
A dead thing? I bet this Lucas
Yeah, I
is
just see a bunch
happiness.
of pixels, bro. I cannot see what that is.
Yeah, this is like Lucas stream quality.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Yeah, bro, I'm like way of nowhere. Yeah.
Damn, but like, is it cold or is it warm there?
Bro, it's so warm. Bro, look at me.
What the heck?
Yo.
Bro, I was in the ocean today.
Yeah.
That was insane.
Mhm.
Yeah, and there's like a huge ass swimming pool here.
Damn, that's crazy. Over here in Sweden, it's cold as hell.
Wait. Look at this.
No, they didn't lock the cage. He's escaping. What is this? They just let bro go like that?
Yeah, let T-chef out on the loose. It's not good.
Yeah, no, big mistake.
Big
Oh,
mistake.
look at this.
Yeah, well, that's
They have
called.
this, but not a single pull-up bar. Not a single pull-up bar. And there's the ocean. Like 10 meters there's the ocean. But not a pull-up bar. I need to train on the fucking thing here. Yeah.
Bro, think about me. I train on my floor. Yeah, that's the best place to train.
Yeah.
Imagine going to a place where they don't even have a floor.
Oh, that's crazy though.
Just a bunch of swimming pools.
By the way, Harold, have you heard on the plane? I coded a brain fuck interpreter in Zig.
Yo,
But not
what?
gonna lie, it was way easier than I thought. It was so
Yeah, it is.
much easier than I thought. Yeah.
True.
Yeah, I
But
mean,
it was
Brainfuck was
such
relatively
a
easy.
pain because I didn't have Wi-Fi and I wanted to look up the most basic things in Zig, but I couldn't. And I had like,
Ooh.
bro, I was struggling 10 minutes on an error because I had a semicolon after a switch statement. And I thought you need to do a semicolon after a switch statement. Bro, it was,
Yeah.
nah.
Well, at least you figured it out, right? So.
Yeah, it works. Like, I couldn't
that's crazy.
do like that in weeks from a file because I didn't have standard library documentation. No LSP. It was like completely on my own, bro. That was bad.
I bet everybody on
Damn,
the
bro, it's
plane
coding
was.
like it's 1980.
Everybody on the plane was like this. So what mental disorder does your child have?
No, they were like,
bro,
yo,
not on
he has a
the plane.
bomb.
After that, when we drove from the airport in Greek to our like hotel, it was like a bus ride. Bro, the first thing I do, like put out my laptop and on Arch, bam.
Bro must have felt like some hacker.
Yeah.
But even through this journey, I've learned something that you probably don't learn when you normally use like Arch Linux or something. Because you know, like all the like public Wi-Fi's that like have no password, but when you click on them, you, like, or like you need to say like log into Wi-Fi, and it opens like a site where you need to press something or so. Like,
Yeah.
Right,
bro,
right.
because of this, I had no Wi-Fi on Arch for like a long time.
Yeah.
And then I figured it out. Yeah, it was so much easier than I thought, bro. I was overcomplicating things, but yeah.
You're not even gonna tell
but
what
also
it
this-
was, bro. You're just gonna say it was easy.
No. Yeah, it was easy.
Bro, like, okay, the easy solution is you just connect to the network normally, but you don't have internet. You just search something in your browser, and when something pops up into your browser, oh yeah, you get redirected to this. So you can actually like use the Wi-Fi, and you just press on it, and you get onto the site. Bro, I didn't know that, and I was like doing curl requests, seeing on which IP addresses. I got the IP address from the router. It was like checking if I can log into it or something. I was, nah, this is insane.
This was the shit on the train and the plane.
Bro, that's for real. Oh my god, that's crazy. Anyways, we're gonna do the next thing, which is actually getting the player ID that got connected now. I got it so
Also
that
look at my PR.
Oh yeah, your PR. Wait, let's do his PR first, bros. Let's check out my boy's PR. Removed useless stuff and added ECS as dependency. So now we can see what he has done. He has. Also keep in mind, since we are porting over the main to be in Sig, we don't need to export stuff like init window in the render. Please, in the future, store space that related stuff in space as Sig file example. Okay, yeah, that's true. I was thinking about doing it, but it's still so early on that I don't do it.
Yeah. It's. I just want to mention it so I don't for gore.
Yeah.
Or gore.
So. I see. And then you that's that, and then you made it lowercase ECS. I guess. Okie dokie. Can I just approve? Looks good to me.
Yeah. You can just approve.
I don't know. This is how I do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you won't get the nice achievement.
Yeah,
Oh,
I thought about that also.
I have already done that achievement.
You already have YOLO?
You sure? I didn't see it on the profile the last time I checked.
Yeah, man, and I check your profile every day, of course.
What the fuck? Should I delete the branch? Clean up.
Yes.
That sounds like a branch that will be used a lot.
Yeah. No, I'll just make new branches of that, so it's fine.
Clean up too. Clean up what the fuck
Just
up.
always remove my branches.
Look at the C percent. It went down by
we need to clean up,
5% because of this. Harold,
C?
this is sad. Sig percent. Bro.
Because I removed
Damn.
like one sig file.
A whole sig.
Also, I'll probably do my training now, so I won't be very active now, but it's fine.
How dare he? I thought we were friends.
I get some
and then
water
he
and
does
that's
this.
No. But I'll be back in like, I don't know, 3 minutes and then, or 4 minutes probably, and then
Yeah,
I'll do
bro,
like,
log into
once in a
this
while.
set. I want to
Yeah,
see
man.
30 push-ups, but with good
30?
form.
Oh, it's not.
I will see.
Wait, Lucas, I need to send you something. Bro,
Well-
today I did my PR on a exercise.
Yeah, just a moment. I don't understand. I did a git pull, but I'm on the wrong branch, bro.
Damn. I thought you had all my Porsche exactly for this thing.
Yeah, that's more like it. And then we can do a quick, let's see, Sug. Let's do sig build run. Right, it won't run. It shouldn't run.
Okay, I will also hit my next set real quick.
Alright. Now it should run. Yes. What the fuck? And we get player connect. Yes. And sig run. Very nice. All of the players are connected. This one we can see player connect, player connect, player connect. Player connect, player connect, player connect, and player connect. Yes, very nice, very nice. Now,
I'm back.
welcome back. How have you been?
Crazy.
Kind of funny that it says though that there's an error with the cannot find in the root module, but it should be.
Look into your build script.
Yeah, I'm
Like-
looking there right now, and we do have ECS.
Oh yeah.
So it's kind of funny that it doesn't find it, even though it's like, what the fuck? And it's right here. Oh, but do I have to do a sig fetch? I don't remember how one did this, but it was something like missing URL path parameter. Already exists. Something like that, and then it should work, but I don't remember. Is it available within root? Let's see, fetch.
Okay. Next set. You work there.
Save. Global. Bruh, we need Harold here now. What the fuck is going on?
Okay.
Fuck, I need Harold for two things. First the ECS, and then I also need for when player connect.
Okay, yes, I'm back. I'm gonna do my first set now, so
Yo.
I'll be back in a minute.
Bruh.
Wait.
Yeah, wait, yeah.
Lucas needs you.
I need you for two
Oh,
things.
okay. What station?
First of all,
Yes.
in main, I get this no module name ECS available within the module root. It compiles and it runs, but I still have, this is just annoying.
Just do Control Shift P in this code. Set ls. Yeah, or like that, I guess.
Ah.
Yeah.
Is it? Ah, it's still wait.
Yeah, if it doesn't work, just restart set ls.
I was wondering if I had to do a sig fetch something.
Nah.
Okay, and the second thing is,
Okay.
well, I guess you can do your thing because we're going to the callbacks now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'll be back in like 2 minutes anyway, so yeah.
Yeah, good luck.
Let's
Thank
see.
you. I'll try to do 30 sets. I mean 30
Alright.
push-ups, but I don't know.
We have on player inserted here. I'm not gonna care about. Well, I guess I can still care for it a little while, but on insert it does this thing, and now I need to somehow actually get the data of the thing. Alright. Chippity. Yeah. I'm gonna take all of this. Great. Now how can I pass the player as so if I back to Sig, and let's give them the reference to the player. I'm just gonna give them the whole thing. And I'm also gonna give them the, this is how the callback is. So on insert.
Okay, I did 30.
Wait, how
Man.
many did you do?
I did 30, but I feel like the last like 3 were but like barely push-ups, but we can pretend.
Hmm?
I like to pretend.
But that's why ones like your first ones are good for.
Yeah. Yeah, like I can easily do 7 now without even like sweating or anything.
Sure.
But like after that it gets a little exhaustive, and like after 20 I'm cooked.
Cooked hamburger.
Yeah.
Let him cook.
The player data when insert happens, there's 2 practical safe approaches. Serials player to bytes. JSON, oh hell no, CBR. A pass constitutes to SIG easiest, robust, no layout, ABI worries. Create a C repetitor C compatible C player and pass a pointer to it. Zero copy each, but requires an explicit match layout and lifecycle management. I strongly recommend serialization to bytes unless you control both sides and want to completely of guarantee of exact fields layout below. Okay. Player JSON. I would really not like to do that, because then you would have to parse it every time. Of course, it would be way more dynamic, but JSON parsing is so fucking bad.
No, it's not. In
It's
Sig
really
it's
slow.
great.
Actually, it was fast. Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I'll even show you my screen currently from my like workout app.
So you gotta use it if Sig offers it.
Yeah, man. Like, bro, look at my thing here.
Who are you talking to? Me?
Yes.
This would be way better C player, and you would just convert the things to C stuff.
I mean, yeah, probably, but like still JSON is good.
No.
Yes.
You just said that Toml is better yourself. How dare you now?
I mean, I know Tom is better, but the only thing that's good with JSON is that Sig has an inbuilt thing for it in a standard library.
Yeah, but now you have to think that this is gonna be a multiplayer game that needs to quickly parse things and quickly send them over and do the right thing, you know?
Yeah, but this shit is fast. But nah, you should
Yeah.
probably just do it like C type thing, yeah.
The only problem is that every time that I add a new field, I have to. Well, either way, if I did JSON, I would have to do it also.
I mean, yeah.
Why isn't just Rust C compatible with the memory layout? Like, what the fuck?
Well, Sig isn't either, but it's easily like done so it can be with C. So yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. It's fine. I am mostly not gonna be sending anything like too complex. It's pretty much primitive data that is gonna be sent over the network. Like if I start sending anything else, then I'm doing something wrong. Ah.
Like also, I don't know. Have you guys experienced like while doing push-ups or something? Because I don't know. Like when I do push-ups and I've done like maybe 40, then I can like hear my like muscles crackling.
Your muscles.
Well, I think it's my muscles at least.
You need to consume more omega-3.
Okay, and how do I do that?
Eat more fish, or
don't
there's
eat the fish.
literally omega-3 tablets. Tablets, are they called? Call it. What are they called that?
Well, how am I supposed to get those?
The store.
The store.
Yeah.
Bro, like I will go there.
Bro, I haven't even touched the grass in like 4 years. Now you're telling me to go
Grass?
to the
What's that?
Do you remember how the world used to look like before you got caught by the programming languages that you endure nowadays?
Yeah, it's like a Sig. It's like a Sig logo, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Let's see. What do they do here? Well, this is a box.
Okay, I'll do my second set now. So BRB.
Okay. 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 Yes. Okay. But this you cannot pointer. Oh yeah, no, this you can do. What would you do? You don't even need to do. Oh, they just do a test call, but no wait, this is yeah. Okay. No, that makes sense. I'm gonna do a quick look into.
I'm back. I did 22 because I accidentally touched the floor, and then I was like, nah. Yeah.
That makes sense.
Fire.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Let's see. What I'm trying to find. How. See, this gonna connect. I'm checking out how my friends are doing it with their thing.
Wait, yo guys, I've done as many push-ups as I did yesterday, but I did it in 2 sets today, and I did it in 3 sets yesterday.
That's where you see progress.
I guess, yeah. I mean, the first time I did 57 push-ups in 15 sets, so yeah.
No, bro, that's no way.
And now I did 52 in 2 sets.
Yeah, you know, when you completed the 100 push-ups, like, or maybe like just like tomorrow or like in 3 days or something, you could move on, like still do the 100 push-ups, but because they get easier and easier, you could go like for things like the pike push-up and diamond push-ups like after that or in that.
Like, should I change the like type of it, or should I just like do it until it's like super easy?
No, stay like you will always do normal push-ups like because they're still very good. But if you are strong enough, you can also like not like as many of them, but like pike push-ups that would be really good for your shoulders. Yeah, and diamond push-ups for your tricep. Like just so
Okay.
maybe like not today, but maybe like so in 3 days you can do like 3 sets normal push-ups, then 1 set core, and then like I guess 2 sets pike push-ups, then 1 set abs or like core abs, same thing, and then you can do like 2 sets diamond push-ups, and then you're like done or something, and then maybe yeah, just like that.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, but for now just do normal push-ups. Like they're always good.
Yeah.
Yeah, normal push-ups are pretty good.
Yeah. Anyways, I'll do my push-ups now.
Alright.
Maybe.
Alright. See, what do they have? Context. Errors. FFI. Here, let's see. C struct. Identity. It's fine. Okay. Okay. We'll just go with something simpler than that. I don't know if I want to store even the... We'll see what I will store. We'll take in...
Oh, I did 24. I feel like I pushed myself a lot there, but yeah.
That's good.
We'll take this.
Fire.
Bruh,
Or just imagine on your third set, you're doing like more than your max yesterday.
Yeah, I guess. Well, my max yesterday was actually 28, but yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought 24, so.
No, that was that the day before, maybe. Yeah, I think it was the day before because then my max was like 25.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's small steps, but it's something. And like for me, it doesn't really matter if I improve. Like if I feel I'm improving, it's fine for me.
facts.
Like I don't actually have to improve at all. I like if it's compared to me like 1 week ago, I think I'm pretty happy.
Yeah.
Type.
And not gonna working on in general is like so good for your mental self. So
Yeah.
So I can just get rid of that with this. I will take these. Bam. And we'll go down to insert player. No, here we need that thing still. What do you need this thing for then? Okay. Yeah, that doesn't work. I have to write it like this if you can use it. And it's gonna be needing, well, I put it already there, but I'm gonna take it up here with this thing. Okay. So this should provide me with all of the information that I need. And yeah. And then it probably had a player C player convention, but I assume that that struct also needs to be alright.
Alright, fine. I'm so close finishing my workout. I work out. One more set.
So we'll find a zero struct in Rust that's stable, matching the struct. Da, 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 da. Okay, now it's just redoing that one. Actually, that looks. Well, it's the same thing, but it just looks cleaner.
I'm back.
Welcome
Hey,
back.
Lucas. Oh, yo, how is it?
Yeah. I did the 17.
Yeah, Lucas. Nice.
What?
I wanted to say, Lucas, I'm now on the same time as you. It's 21:30 for me, bro.
Damn.
Damn. That's crazy.
I got now 1 hour older than before.
You aged so fast.
Yeah.
Const. Right, this one has to update.
Okay, I will do the last set now. Be right back.
Sounds good.
That's fine. Expected after parameter.
What? I only need to do 7 more? Damn, that's crazy.
Sure. I think it got a bit of a stroke here of how it's supposed to look, but that's okay. Layer. Sure.
Baby.
All right. This is the connection like so. And let's see. No,
Okay,
that's fine.
there. I finished my workout.
If we. Okay, that looks about right, but let's check.
were Lucas on
Hmm?
Khan Academy, right?
Yeah.
Are you just doing them like from the first one, or did you start out somewhere specific?
Depends. Like I started just. You can start wherever you feel comfortable. Like I don't know if you really need to do the first. Like just pick the level where you would like to start and just start going from there. And if there's something you already know, just skip. You don't have to do everything.
Okay. I see,
Yeah.
I see.
I'm back also. I've done my 104 push-ups now.
Nice. I swear, in 5 days you will do all the push-ups in one set.
No. Also in like 2 weeks, I have like a break from school, and if I'm gonna be home at that time, bro, I'm gonna be training for like 7 hours, bro.
Bro.
And was locked in
Yeah.
train
Bro, it's locked in for real.
programming.
Yeah, man.
Now,
Like this fun, I just have to allocate more time to it, I feel.
this might work or it might not work. Let's see. I just want to confirm one more thing with the into see free player. Let's see.
I haven't done abs in a while, so I'm gonna do that now.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, baby.
Raw pointer will free. This will free. How does that free? Like, Rust doesn't look to be very. I don't see free anywhere or any of that kind of thing. I just say from raw. And then I don't know, bro. I feel like I'm gonna have memory leaks from this. If it runs, first of all. Okay, look, there's Lucas with that information. And then let's connect another one, and there's another Lucas, and the ID increased. Woo! And then we connect another one. Woo! And the ID increased on all of them. Crazy. Of course, all of them also have the same position, but that's fine. We're not concerned about too much. Crazy that it even worked. I'm a bit unsure about that this actually frees anything, like. Oh. Wait, let me. So this actually frees the memory. When you build struct new into raw, keep allocated to being given allocate split in Rust heap own Rust allocator. Converts that into a raw pointer leaking ownership. Rust won't drop or free it automatically anymore. Receives pointer and can safely read its field. Now when Sig calls free C player. This is a bit sketchy, but sure. Goes out of scope, box is dropped. So wait, Rust takes care of. Does Rust have a garbage collector? What the fuck? How does it know to free it from here? Like, what the fuck? That's so weird.
It just when a variable goes out of scope, it just frees it.
Oh, that's scary.
Unless
bro.
you tell it otherwise.
Bro, that's scary.
But there's also like it's very advanced also because of how the ownership stuff works.
Yeah.
So basically, you kind of make the variable be owned by the upper scope, but then you have to manage it with a special syntax. And if one thing is like that, everything is like that. So yeah.
That's scary, bro. Anyways, look, I got it. You can connect, and there it is. This ID. Everybody's called Lucas for funny reasons, but you know there's another ID connected.
I mean, everyone is basically Lucas.
Yeah, true. But yeah, you can connect. So that's cool. Now the next step
Indeed.
is that we can actually start to use this data to insert it into the ECS, right? So we can
Yeah,
go...
man. Just make the player connect if you can somehow get the ECS in there. You know.
Yeah. If I can get the...
Yeah. Is there like a way you can just have a user pointer to it or like anything? Is there any way you can get shit in there?
No.
How do you give a player connect to it?
Player connect to this thing here.
Yeah. Okay. And that one. Okay, but this function register player connect callback. That's your function, right?
Yeah, or this. Yeah, it's something that is from, well, it's from Rust, but it's my thing that I have. Yes, it's not provided.
Can you go to it in Rust? Okay, I mean you have it. So you can have a void pointer to something, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to in all of these functions make like a user PTR thing.
As a parameter?
Yeah.
And then what would you do with that? Because you cannot...
You pass it on. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah, but you cannot
Else then
pass
you
it on to here anymore. Like here it stops. This is where it stops.
Oh, right. Okay, well, how about this? Let's make a global inside of Rust that's called like user underscore PTR, and then we can set that variable in Sig. Because we don't want to have Sig be polluted with a bunch of globals, but we can have Rust polluted with a bunch of globals, am I right?
But isn't the world already... Oh no, that's the type, bruh.
Yeah. But just make a like a db.c.set user pointer thing, and then that will just somehow be accessible. Just make anything that's like globally viable, but only through Rust, okay? Not through this beautiful language.
You need to think of...
Bro, just trust me.
Wait, let's see. Let's
Or
GPT this
if
thing.
there's another way you can maybe
How
like
could
tell it.
I now access my ECS through like callback?
Wait, Lucas, I know. We can have a queue that is a global queue called like player connection. What the heck?
No,
Bro.
but we need.
No.
We're gonna be needing this for anything that has a callback, and that's gonna be like super fun. Well, I guess for now we can make it statically for specific stuff, but the music is not jamming.
Bro, just do what the thing I said.
Well, can we at least read what this one is suggesting real
No.
quick? No, okay, what do you want?
No. In Rust.
Yeah.
Okay, so we want to declare a global somewhere in here.
Where would you? I already got plenty
Probably
of
at the
those.
Yeah, exactly. So we can have another one.
Okay. What do you want it to be?
Yeah.
Const or?
We actually want to mutate these sometimes. So
I don't know. Do I just say mute? What do I do? Static?
let's mute.
Let mute.
Well, I don't know if it's static. Maybe static.
I don't know either.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay, and then we'd call that just user underscore PTR. Probably lowercase, but I don't know how you do this in Rust. Okay. Yeah, and that's just equals to like a seed pointer, like a seed void, you know. Yeah, and that can just be defined, yeah. Okay, now we can just declare functions somewhere for setting and getting this user PTR.
And bro. Wait,
Unless you can export it somehow.
what are you thinking of doing with this? You can get it and set it, and then what do you do with that?
Yeah. Well, with that we can. Well, it's just a global in our program essentially.
But how can I know anything about what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with it?
You're gonna set it through Sig, and then we can get it out in Sig. But it's still gonna be stored in Rust technically,
Yeah, but what?
which is fine.
When would I get it out from Sig?
Anywhere.
Yeah, but when?
When in the callbacks.
But how can I access it through the callback?
It's gonna be a function, bro. It's a
But-
global.
But oh yeah, so I can just do gp.c and then okay access
Dot
to
get user pointer.
yeah.
Yeah. Also, one thing about the player connect callback, please rename it to like on player callback or player. I mean, like on player connect
We'll
or
rename these
player
things as
connect
soon as
callback.
it's
Bro, just do it now.
no, bro. I'm
It's
I'm
not
too.
hard.
I have
You
too
press
much.
F2.
No. Wait. We will. As soon as I have one of each
No.
basic set, I can see like what the name should be because I'm not really sure what I will not want to name it because it feels like all of them are the same thing still. So I'm like trying to solidify everything, what it is, and then we'll
Yeah, at
rename it.
least just don't name the shit snake case. Like, what is this?
What? No,
Ah.
it's supposed to be like that.
Why?
Isn't it supposed to be like that?
No.
I have forgotten.
In Sig functions, yes. You have in Sig. You see?
I'm used to the C syntax,
Yeah.
alright?
Yeah. Well, don't.
Bro, okay,
Please
that's
rename
that.
it.
We'll do it in a bit. I need to find a way to get this stupid ass player to the ECS.
Yeah, but we know how to do it, man. It's
No,
not
no,
hard.
look at this beautiful thing that the AI slop has done for me.
Hmm.
So yes. Trust sides, yes. World is created inside, yes. Uh-huh. Global handle pointer to the ECS world that you call access option.
Wow,
Use
what
a
a
global variable,
surprise.
simple and works. Look at that, we would just have a global world.
Yeah, but I don't like globals in Sig, man.
No. And in your callback, then it would work. Pro simple, not thread safe if you mutate ECS from both
Yeah.
threads. Option 2, queues ECS updates to. This was what I was talking also about before, I think. Let's see. Most ECS aren't. So create a thread safe queue, for example, STD atomic queue or own ring buffer. Nice slop advice. Well, you guys don't use an ECS. But how you still have to keep track of the people who connect. How the fuck do you do it when you have the callback being called?
Yeah, man. Just make a. Okay, so how we can do this?
But
That is
this
a lot
this could
better than
work. You
storing a
could just have
global.
a queue of
Yeah.
things, and then you could just in the main.
What? Wow, that's so smart. You know, it's unbelievable that I thought of that. Wow, that's so crazy. What? I can't imagine that I ever mentioned this like right
Yeah.
before. No,
You
no,
see,
no.
you see why I pay for Harold GPT and not ChatGPT.
Yeah, exactly. Like I give the responses way faster, which is not good, not good, not
Not good.
good.
No, wait. What do you mean? I mean that we have. This is the player connect callback that we get from.
Yes, I have a player connect queue.
Yeah, but this is when a player connects, so it calls this function from SpacetimeDB to this SIG application, and now we need to get this player information that we get. We need to get it into our ECS, right? Now our ECS where yeah, we need to get it into our ECS somehow, and well, we cannot pass the whole thing through the whole thing. So either we make the ECS a global or we make just a queue that we can read in the while loop that would be global, and that would make most sense right now, but yeah.
Are you sure SpacetimeDB doesn't have like a set user pointer thing?
I don't know. Let's see, maybe they do. Oh on player insert, right? So,
Yes.
well, you can look what I do to pass arbitrary state to a callback. Yeah, I was trying to look at your stuff, what you do, but I'm not.
Who are you even talking to? Cheesecake or?
I don't know, to the guy on the internet.
That guy, yeah, of course.
They do. I'm trying to read this stuff, bro.
Show it.
Is it okay if I leak your stuff on the
Oh,
stream,
that,
your code?
That guy.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy. I know that guy now. Yeah.
The guy who knows everything basically.
Yeah.
I can use some
Yeah,
key
that
points.
guy.
Yeah. And yeah. But it's like I have wait, player insert. Let's see, player. On player here you have like you have handle context and then you have the layer. Like I'm not sure what I'm supposed to look at. Let's see, player.
I'm gonna do some more abs, so baby.
Alright. On insert database game state player. Yeah, you have like an actual like you have the database constant and a game state. But how do you actually through space-time do anything with it? Like you take the context and then the player, but I do not see. Ooh, that's a lot of free. Internal callbacks. Here, let's see. On connect. But unsafe on insert here.
Back.
Welcome back. Player context, player C, player from player. Context CTX state pointer. I can do. Let's see. There you are. Let's see. You can create a context wrapper in client side ROS that is allocated when you connect and deallocated when you disconnect. Those functions to SIG that you can use to save pointers into context wrapper. However, they can then have an arbitrary SIG pointer. Wait. Outdrift client F has a state pointer.
Like honestly, bro, just use inline assembly. It's way easier.
just use assembly at this point. Comes from here
Yeah.
in our sig. Align cast, pointer cast, game state. EB set state pointer. But I pass self as the context and then you pass the state. Yes, but context representing the client side Rust you connect and deallocate when you disconnect and expose functions to sig that you can use to save. But how do you use that when you then inside here, because I guess you have the, yeah, on insert you have access to our context in sig just defines as opaque with methods. It's forwards to FFI. Connect, disconnect, set velocity. But how do you like? How does your callback then get? Oh wait. Yes. So on player insert. You have access. Do you have access through? Wait. Sig doesn't know anything about context in there. It's just a pointer. It's just a pointer. Yes. Yes. But you have like your game state somehow accessible on your equivalent of this thing, and you pass it back when you do the callback here. Because you somehow access, like, I could get also here the context of the database here, but how could I also get the game state, which would be my ECS basically? I need to get it somehow. Unless if I make it global. That's the only way I could think of it.
No, don't make globals in SIG. Just make them in Rust, okay? Yeah, that's how we do it.
You can just send any SIG pointers into Rust and Rust will pass it back to a callback. It doesn't matter what the pointer is. No, but on insert, wait. It can be ECS, wait, but here on insert I can only pass a function that looks like this on player insert that takes context and player, right? That's isn't that the only thing I can pass in? Shelf and row. And then I need to somehow from here send back now the game state, but I can't take it in as a parameter. Or can I?
Well, you can take it on the, like, on insert, right? But you can't just pass it on to SpacetimeDB.
Yeah, but
That's the thing.
I
But
somehow...
if you declare the callback inside of there...
Yeah, but this is the thing that gets called every time that a player get inserted, and that's when I need... In here I need to get access to the actual damn... ECS.
But wait. Wait. I
Wait.
think I know how to do this.
Update context move clone player all new unsafe on update player.
Lucas, does the on player inserted function, does it is that something you give to SpacetimeDB?
That's something I pass
is that
into to this thing on insert. But
yes, okay.
let's see.
But this like function that's calling that. Wait, what?
You
that
can use
function?
a closure to
That's
redefine
the-
function signatures and eject arbitrary parameters. What the fuck? No way.
Yeah, I thought that Rust maybe had something like this.
That's just messed up, bro. Oh my god, no way you can do that. Because then, yeah, I could take it in. The closure defines only needs to match. You can call any sig definition and pass anything you want in there. Oh my god, yeah, that's... Bro, that's such a hacky way, bro, of doing it. But yeah, yes, sure.
But Lucas, one thing, can you not have your mouse exactly where it is right now, because I can't see the name of the function. Okay, this register play connect callback. That only runs once, right?
Yeah, it only runs
Can we
once.
store stuff inside of the database context, or is that something from SpacetimeDB?
It's actually a pretty standard way of doing it. It sounds so cursed though. Like I cannot.
Yeah, Rust is cursed. You do the closure thing, man.
The closure.
Just do it. It's Rust, man. Everything is cursed. Yeah, what I said.
The responsibility of the closure is to translate Rust to SIGFFI. You already have one. You just have less stuff in it. Huh? Okay. Well then. There's... At this point I don't know which one is less cursed, doing that or having actually a queue that I just send and then in the while loop I...
No, closures. We don't want global stuff.
But to be honest, either
We
way
hate
I have to
globals.
do like a queue of actions in here because I don't want
Yeah,
to
but
update
is
directly.
it global?
Well,
Yeah, but you see, we don't want to have the ECS as a global, okay? It will
no,
be
the
shit
ECS
because
wouldn't
of
be the
alignment
global.
and
It
casting.
would just be a global queue of actions that every time that the while loop is done, it would read what are the new actions and then perform them to the ECS. Because that I need to do either way. I don't want to update ECS directly when I'm using it.
No.
You know?
Well, that's okay. So use closures.
But closure is much cleaner state-wise. But then I still need... Bro, wait, no.
Yes.
Because either...
State is everything.
Then I have to keep in the world state. Then I need to have in that thing the queue of stuff, you know? And then I could
We don't
read
care, because just as long as the state is good, no globals, we're happy.
Could I just have a global of actions, bro?
No, Lucas, this ain't C++, okay? Globals they're not cool here, okay? You know, just because C++ is a shit language and they use shit patterns like globals doesn't mean we do that here, okay?
Bruh.
Just do it.
But
Like, you'll
types
do
are
it once,
global.
and then you'll
Why
never
can I
have to
not
think
just
about it.
make this thing global?
Types, oh my god, bro. The types are known as compile time, it's fine. Like, we want the runtime state to be not global.
Be an everything struct like state. Okay. I guess which can have ECS and all other crap. Okay, that's true. An everything state. We're gonna pass an everything state. But for now, our everything
Yeah, that sounds
state
great.
is the ECS, so... Okay, let's get on to it. So, this thing will have to take both the context of the database and the context of the function pointer, but also the context of... Or what function pointer, bro, what I'm saying. It also needs to take in a... I don't know, what should I call this thing? Like, at the moment it's only an ECS, but it would be a game state. I would say a state. Game state? Let's take a game state. And how do you then... You have like... It's so weird to look at this thing. It's like... On update, callback... On update player. Wait, how am I supposed to read that syntax?
You ain't.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. On update move, and now there's like ECTX player old player new. But I'm just concerned about that thing. And then there's like Wait, can you just directly do C player from, and then you clone the data into it, and it just works like that? Bro, I created a whole I slopped a function into C player. But can you also just do that? That would be amazing. But okay, let's get one thing first at a time. I want to get this. But wait, so you take move. This looks so weird. And then that thing is unsafe. Trying to understand the syntax here, just wait,
I get some water beer.
alright, that sounds good. I think if CEO of SpacetimeDB saw what code you're writing here, he would fire himself. Yeah, he should have written a sig binding or a C binding. This is horrible. But wait, no. Now I'm trying to do something I should not be trying to do. Because this is the function pointer that I actually want. I don't need to print this anymore also. Because this function pointer is the thing that I want to move in front of the closure means that the close takes ownership of any local with reference. The parameter what the real on update passes to the terms are what the real on update passes to the closure. Here's or just ignore the original context move because I've stored it anyway. The closure translates player struct to FFI compatible ones. The closure calls the sig callbacks wrap context and translated parameters.
I see you sent a screenshot to me. What?
Yeah, that's the same.
Are those closures?
Yeah.
You know, closures, they seem cool, but I don't want that garbage in my language.
Damn.
So get out.
So you can just do a. Oh, now I see. Oh. Oh, okay. Wait, so you can just do a. Oh my god, wait, let me try this. So you do.
What in the funky casting is this?
I know what I'm supposed to do now, I think. We want to take in. We need to take in. Yeah, we need all of these. Not directly. Do we need? I think yeah. We just need to take this. And well, I can just do this to begin with, just to see if I understand this correctly, right? And then we do that, and then here, well, I could do this, but I think I can also do. Let's see. Well, I don't have it. I just have it called C player. From but how do you get the actual player? Right. No, wait. This is just the DB. EX. and then player. Found. Okay. Well, I don't know how to do that, but I have this thing.
I'm gonna quote Cheesecake here, but he said, I think if the CEO of SpacetimeDB saw what code you're writing here, he would fire himself.
The context pass is created
I
in
mean,
Rust,
that
not
is true.
from DB. You can't really do it that way from there. The first thing you need to solve is the creation of wrapper context. First thing you need to solve is the creation of wrapper context. Bruh, I haven't even, I barely understand what wrapper is.
My God, how does this guy not know what a wrapper is?
I just use them.
Bro.
I don't create them, bro.
My guy, you have to at least make 5 wrappers. Like, how did you even learn programming, bro? The way you learn programming is by making wrappers.
I just started writing C applications, C programs.
What
That's
the
how I
hell,
learned
bro?
it.
How I learned programming was literally just making wrappers for STL.
No. Well, I guess no. I did program before that, but when I started with C, I just replicated the standard library functions because that's just a thing that you do when you write C.
Oh yeah, those are so complicated and advanced, string length. That's had some advanced stuff there.
There are some pretty advanced there, like FD split.
Okay, recreate the
split.
6th standard library.
You know, when you want to split a string by a specific character
Yes.
or substring, that's pretty complicated. How you
Yeah,
have
sure,
to
those could be advanced.
malloc everything and then free it if these things. Memory management.
Didn't even know this standard library had that.
I don't know if it does actually. I just have to make it at least.
No, I don't know, man.
And
I don't
then
think it does.
eventually I made a raycaster using C.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah. But anyways, then what happens? What happens here in the chat? Watch game making, by the way. What plan is not gonna space on Rust is crazy bad. Just saying, Harold. Everything is a wrapper if you look closely enough. C is a wrapper on assembly language. Why is player in a box? Assembly is a wrapper on machine code.
Yeah, but Lucas hasn't made any wrappers.
Machine code is a
That's
wrapper
what I
on
mean, bro.
microcode. Yes, this guy gets it, bro.
Yeah, but an executable does not count as a wrapper. I'm sorry. So no.
And in the end, everything is just a wrapper of hardware, and hardware is just a wrapper of electrons.
Yeah, exactly. And you're a wrapper of Lucas's mom.
Yeah, well, yeah, exactly. This is so good code, that if somebody saw this.
And I'm gonna cry when I sleep. Yeah.
Well, besides that, yes. And do I now just?
This is when you look at this code, not gonna lie.
Do I now just go function pointer and just say player? Is this how I'm supposed to do it?
Oh my god, bro.
How can I make so? And then I don't need this bullshit anymore. Now I can just say bye to this, right? I really have no idea what I'm trying to do, but isn't this? How can I just say that this is actually what I'm gonna take in over here? Like, can I just say it like that somehow? And then I'm not gonna be concerned about that. And then mismatch type mutable C found box. Yeah, but now I have that fucking box player.
Wait.
What is a box?
All,
Bro,
I don't know.
they need packaging. Bro,
It's-
is there like a Kia type in here also?
It's something cannot borrow player. It's something to do with the AI stuff generated to me.
Okay, the AI slump. Yeah, it's good. The AI slump is fed you with boxes.
I don't think you can do what you're trying to do inside that function. I have no idea, bro. I just want to be able to take. If I can just get this player, then I can add extra parameters because then I understand how this works. But I'm still like so unsure. Like, how can I actually use this thing to just, you know, take in the function point? And this is for later. Like, I just need to take this thing and then just pass the player that tried to connect that normally would have gotten inserted in here, right? Don't know really if I need this thing, but I need to do that. That's what I need to do. Yes. That is what I need to do. I'm just trying to read your thing still here on the GitHub. But you have like internal callbacks where you just unconnected. What? Why is there so many ifs here? Well, the global is much easier than the good way. Yes, the global is much easier than the good way. And I think we would.
Yeah, but we are engineers. We don't like easy.
Yeah, we like to do it right. That's why our ECS is so good.
Sure, buddy.
Why could they not just have done a C binding for real? Like of all of the languages they made
Yeah, I don't
bindings
know,
for, there wasn't a C binding, but there was a fucking TypeScript. Like that's just crazy. Uh-oh. Okay. This is crazy, bro. I think global is the way to go.
What? No. You gotta think about the state, bro.
But bro, it's very simple dimple. Step 1, define a context in Rust that can store the real context and a pointer. And step 2, pass the wrapper context to all callbacks. But right now, I wouldn't even want to, like, yeah, I would, that's where I want to get. But first, I would like to see, can I just get this thing working where I just on insert, I override it with this thing directly and I don't have to worry about anything else. Is that even possible to do? Like, can I do that? Where I just go straight in here and just say lol, call player thing immediately and don't do any other weird like, so I don't have to have this thing in here in between. I could just immediately go here, take it, do it. And then from there I can go like let's see, closure expected take 2 arms. Okay, so I need to still pass the thing, but yeah, this basically.
Yo, Lucas, I sent you some ultimate Rust code.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's the average Rust function.
I don't know what you mean, but you can pass something that doesn't exist into callback. Let's see. Average Rust function. Print hello. What the?
You can show it on stream also because it's so good.
What the?
And this is not a real thing. I just made it up, but this is how I feel when I read Rust.
have Rust fun. Oh yeah, I cannot show that, bro. Fuck.
Yeah. You cannot show what? Oh.
I
It's so little.
don't
Yeah,
know what you mean, but you
it's-
can't pass something that doesn't exist into a callback. But how would you then? How do you then if how do you pass your game state into these things if you can't pass them into these things?
You don't.
Oh wait, but you can. Oh, but you can still make a custom callback that can take. I don't know, because I need to pass somehow the game state then in here still, and if I can do it, then I'm fucked. I need to get the player and then also pass that with this thing. Let's see. Mm. Where from it can go to all the other shit. Wait. You need to have a context in Rust that already exists that you can pass the pointer into where from it can go to all other shit. You need to have a context in Rust that already exists that you can pass the pointer into wherever it... Wait, what? You need to have a context in Rust that already exists. What do you mean by already exists? Do you mean like something that they have defined or like just allocated? That you can pass the pointer into where from it can go all the other... Huh. I'm just gonna quickly do this so I can get that error message. Create a context wrapper when you connect. Harold, what is a context wrapper?
What a context driver is? Well, what is a context?
Well, in this case, it's just the database context, but I think we want to get the game state instead.
Yeah, then you make you make a structure, and that contains that one, and you can have your custom stuff also.
Wait, cannot find value boxed in this scope found in what? Ah, because I need to do this. Ah. Okay, well that still works. Well, that's way cleaner still. Like that's like a that's that's a pretty damn good improvement still. Holy fuck. Like look at this. He made us go get rid of this thing at least. So that's pretty good. We don't need that
So
anymore.
now we don't have global state.
For the wait. We're taking one
Yeah,
step
okay,
at
well,
a
then I'm
time.
happy.
And we won't need this thing anymore. We can get rid of that one. And yeah, like just boom by just this cool little thing called move. We got it running with this now. Just look, bam, there is the correct information. They when they connect, we get the ID and whatnot, all of them. Amazing. Thank you so much. That little help. It's not the thing I was supposed to do, but it was still great improvement for the whole damn shit. Wait, what? Oh yeah, no, it's chill. We're chilling. I still hate that I have to do this box shit, bro, though. Like, I still don't know what that box is, but it's the it's the AI slop that I got, and yeah. But this is pretty cool that you can do this. You don't need a box for any reason. But how do I do it without that? Like, if I were to just say, let's say this, right? Let's say, well, we can keep it. And then I just say let pointer is equal to player dot box is like a malloc pointer. But how can I then pass found struct player type? So because you do player from, and I got this, which basically represents the same thing. And if I do from this, then I get mismatch C player found player. I don't know how you do it. Which this would obviously be way better, but I don't know how I can make it. Arguments these functions are incorrect. Because they are literally like C player, and then we can sit. Where is the actual player here? Like I literally just copy pasted basically the thing. Except for this one has DB vector, this has C vector 3. And then that's a string, and it's a ampersand pointer as asterisk mutable. Ampersand. Ampersand pointer as mutable, but into a function pointer. Oh. So you mean, wait. How, wait, what? But wait, I cannot. The first issue is just this thing as a whole. Mismatch expected C player found player. Like I need to get this one to become a C player before I can even try to do anything over here. Or? And the only way I can think of is still just using this stupid as into C player. Have you implemented from player for C player? No. No. So I still have to. How do I do it? Is it just function from? I have never done this before. Let's see. From layer to C. Let's see player struct. Well, it's basically the same as your into C player, except you don't need a box, and normally you don't do it with the default trait. Default trait? Bro, send me your into I show. But okay. Let's see. Struct inner DB context, whatever pointer context. Okay. Oh, and then you just pass that thing. Okay. But is this supposed to be a function within the struct of the C player? AKA method. Okay, not gonna lie, this is actually a pretty cool thing. But also a bit weird, but also pretty cool. But also a bit weird, but also pretty cool. So you would have a full-on... What you working on? We are working on just reworking the inner workings of the. Oh yeah, by the way, welcome Sao681. We're just working on trying to get that the SIG will be the main platform for this whole project, and then we will just use Rust and SpacetimeDB as a kind of library that we connect to. Networking layer, yes. And yeah, we basically just trying to get that when a player connects, that we will add them to the ECS, and that way we can then start rendering stuff back. Well, implementing the render is kind of like the next step after this, but we will. First, we just need to get these things in there. Let's see. You need to fix a little something, but that's most of it. So from player for C
yeah, you need
player.
to put the C player in a C namespace, I would say, but you know.
Yeah,
that's his organization.
we need to do that. We are gonna have to do that.
Yeah, well, have to. Yeah, well, I will force you.
Yeah, you better have me at gunpoint or something like that, you know.
Oh, I will. Like this shit, like if you don't touch it, bro, I'm gonna make this shit so clean. You won't even think you won't even know Lucas was there.
Mismatch type expected raw pointer mute found struct C. Okay, so now we just do the as mutable. Wait, how was this supposed to? Casting as is invalid. Wait, am I doing what? No. No primitive C. Am I? No, I'm not tripping, bruh. It should be this. Am I dumb? Casting.
Yes. But I'm also that, so it's fine.
What the fuck? It just works. Yeah, nice. I see. Did I just lose the fight? I think you did lose the fight. I don't know. I will join battle. You need to do. All right, now comes the spicy stuff of casting. But yeah, that's Oh, const. Wait, what? That's such a weird. Const underscore as mutable underscore. Unnecessary unsafe. Oh, so this is safe now. Oh wait, I'm already in an unsafe block, so we're fine. Okay. But this is so weird. Like you take the pointer as a constant, and then you take that into a mutable. Yeah, it's scuffed as it's easier if you parameter into mutable pointers. Maybe. Oh, this is how I know to run it. Let's see. We'll just see how it goes. Ah, shit. Um. The following command, unexpected. Oh. Ah. Right. Now we don't need to do this anymore. Nice. Now that's crazy. Now you take a reference that... Wait. Now you take a reference that you cast to a pointer as const that you cast to a mutable pointer as mute. Yeah, that's fucking crazy. Yeah, it's not in. Yeah, it's not in a box. But how does the memory ownership work now?
Lucas, Lucas, what you're gonna answer? I know what you mean. Just you gotta think outside of the box.
Bro. I
Yeah, that's right.
haven't taken enough shrooms for this talk.
Oh really? I think
But
you
how
do.
does the memory
I mean,
then work for this thing if you clone it and then you call this function, because this is still running in... Is this like... The fuck? How does the... How does the memory work for this thing now? Like who when it gets in here, like it's still Rust that owns the memory, right? It's valid for the duration of the callback. Oh, so this thing is still, even though it goes in here, it's still like the Rust that is still running this callback, and that's why it's still valid. And then it returns here, and then here it goes out of scope, and then it's like obviously don't store the pointer anywhere. What? I was thinking of storing the pointer. Okay. But then what we can do now? Now we can actually pass in the thing. So we could take, if we expand this, and we will say just game state, which will just be a void pointer. Can I still... Can I somehow is this the thing that should be like the wrapper of containing both of the DB context and then the game state as one? I wonder, can I do this? I got to go. You can cheat from my code. Alright. See ya. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help so much. It was really nice to get at least a lot better code structure, even though it's like it's still shit, but still like way better.
yeah, bro. And the reason why it's so bad is because you can't remember the naming between all the languages. Well, I guess it makes sense since you're a TypeScripter, you know.
I also do Java in school. They forced me to.
Yeah, exactly. You do Java in school. You do C sometimes, and you do Rust and Sig. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
And then they made me use Java, and Java makes me go crazy.
I mean, everyone goes crazy from that.
No. Let's see. I'm gonna do that. How can I pass the game state back to the callback. Let's see. Now you want the callback to receive a pointer to your game state along with the C player. This is a common pattern in a FFI. Instead of having a global state, you pass void or mute context to a callback. How to do it safely. Okay. This is... Oh! I just retarded. Wait, can I just do it like that? No way that I can just do it like that. Hey, come on, give me my retry. Bro, give me my retry. Bruh, thank you. If I can just do that, then we are pretty good to go. Let's see. If I can just take it in like this, and then it's back to boxed. It's fucking boxed. I cannot. But yeah, if you can just do that. Oh my god, let's try that. Okay. Now this is some cool. This is awesome. So we're gonna do game state, mutable, C void. Yeah, and then this thing is gonna be like, I need a little bit more. And I'm gonna be like, you're gonna get a little bit more. And we're just gonna say game state. But I cannot, I don't get game state in. Yeah. Oh yeah, it doesn't know what the fuck a game state is. Mutable cannot be sent between thread safety, blah blah blah. Damn it. Okay, we're gonna take this and we're gonna explain to it that it's wrong and it needs to be less wrong. Here. But it's a pretty good... Wait, what the Sure. Like, if I can put it in here somehow, that would be great. If you set between thread safety, it happens because closure is being moved into on insert, which likely stores it to call later from another thread. Since that closure must themselves be sent raw to how to fix arc. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That feels like doing it too overcomplicated. I don't think I need to do it like that. I think now it's just I'm gonna try something funny. I have no idea about the Rust syntax, but this feels like it could be something valid to do. Maybe not. Expected expression found. No. Closure expected to take 2 arguments, but it takes 3. Damn it. Rust gun dev. Yeah, we're kind of forced to use Rust at this point. Because of SpacetimeDB only supporting, it has a Rust binding, a C# binding, and a TypeScript binding. So
yeah, so Rust was the best alternative because it can be compiled into the same library, I mean executable as it.
Yes, so Rust was our best option. And now I have to figure out what the fuck it means to do Rust. My brain is about to explode. I don't know if I like this syntax.
No, you don't like it. No one likes it.
Mutable cannot be sent. This is so sad because this would have been really nice if I could just have passed the game state just like that, you know, straight through there. But no, it cannot be passed like that. And then AI Slop is trying to suggest to me to do something else, which is like I guess it would work, but it would be so fucking nasty. I'm like, oh god, I don't want to do it like that. Const is crazy. I don't know why they didn't just have const implicit, like for reference. Yeah. But yeah. I guess this is also just because I suck at this thing, and I'm not really sure like what I'm supposed to do. But it runs. Well, not anymore, but it used to run. Then it didn't. Let me see. But is there another way I could pass the game state so I can get it in the callback later on? Like, what if I just... It's because it's not thread safe. I literally like the... So annoying. Because this would have been so nice if we could have just done that instead. Well, for a temporary check, I guess we can still use it and just see if we can get it. We'll take it here. Then we will do this thing, and I will make it cursed and put it right here because I'm accepted item keyword let full list of items can appear in module C. Right. Use inside of closure. Yeah, that's pretty much what I want to do. Wait, what? Is it trying to tell me that I should do it like this? Okay. Oh god, what the fuck? No, no way, that's... Yeah, let's see. Well, I cannot call it. I'm just gonna... Oh god, no, wait, hold on. What the fuck? No. Okay. I'm not gonna call it the same thing. I'm gonna call it state, just for simplicity right now. And then... inside here. Okay. And then in here, we will have... Hello, Alpero CI. Welcome to the stream, where I should be sleeping, but I'm trying to figure out Rust with Slop AI. Okay, but with this now, we should be able to get the... Wait a minute. I cannot do that, can I? And then if this... I'll just... For now, we just want to get it to compile. We're not concerned about using anything yet. Primitive root, physics root, not allowed in function with calling convention. Yep, exactly. But I can... Okay, that works. And then in here, let's see, expected. Oh yeah, now it's expecting this. So in here, it will change to be world. But can I say just I can get a fucking user input in SIG. Wait, what? Okay, wait, let's see. I need the expected main root world. Void found const root. But that isn't that the same? Const. What the fuck is? Ah, bro, I'm having a stroke for real, bro. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay. And best case, this actually compiles and run. Worst case, it doesn't. It doesn't. All right. Well, this rusting seems to be fine. So my issue is something with SIG. Which I cannot understand. Wait, error. Segmentation fault. Okay, well that's was not available. Trace main. F reference trace. Is there anything more? Just I'm pretty sure because I do get that it connects to the database, so or the server, so that's good. But then it probably fails when it tries to bind the callbacks. So yeah. What if I just pass an any opaque instead? Because I don't really care. Do I? Maybe I do. Okay, just for this purpose, just to see if it's that's the issue. Okay, no, what? Fuck, bruh. Fully connected to all, subscribe to all, applied all. So wait, that means that it goes. No wait, subscribe to all tables, fine then. Because this one is the one that does. Here. And then we get this print, so that means that it is. It does go through this thing, and then that means that this thing also has to go through. So it's probably when we actually get to the point where we run the callback, and then it gets in here, and somehow it's seg faults in this place, most likely. Let's see, or it can also be something with these things where it's what if I just pass null? Can I pass null in through Rust? I should be able to pass null. Let's see, we'll just do this. We'll just say that.
Signal and Rust null are not the same.
But I'm not gonna use.
Yes,
I just need it to be 0, basically. I don't need to do anything with it.
Yeah, okay, but null is not 0.
But I don't need it to be any valid data. I just need it to be ignored.
Is there no undefined?
fucking pass none. Do they have anything good? Okay. No steel. I'm a bit unsure, like, what could be the issue with this, because it's like... Okay, I guess I have to do just a few prints. I'm pretty sure this works until here. Lol xddd, that's my favorite debug message. Yeah, lol xddd, and then it's... Okay. How far can I... What if I put it over here? Still there. But then I assume...
Hello, Auntie.
NP joined? What's up, NP?
Hello, I hope my audio is alright.
It is, it is.
Yeah, it's great.
It's really nice.
I really need to like config the hyperland and still have like the default config with just a theme in it. And it's like very small, to be fair.
Yeah, but you know, at least it's something, but not Windows.
Yeah, and I cannot uninstall Zoom, like the shortcut for it. I don't know why.
Zoom?
It's just yes.
But you should be able to just unbind it.
Yes. But I don't want to break anything again.
Nah, it's fine, man. Just if it breaks, just reinstall it all.
And then like Armory Forge on my mouse is acting weird. I don't know why. Like it has
Probably
some sort of
sensitivity.
smoothing. I don't know why.
Oh yeah, smoothing. No, you probably want to turn that off.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
kind
for
of
some
found the
reason,
option to do.
yeah, I don't know, like for some reason mouse acceleration is at the default on like everything. Like no one actually uses it, but it's just the default.
Also, I turned on HDR. I don't think it actually works.
Ah, typical Wayland.
I must probably doing... Wait. Is there... Am I forgetting a place where I'm not updating the... Oh, bro. My brain is so... Wait. Is it actually... Yeah, I'm stupid. I'm so damn dumb. Oh my god.
Well,
What is it?
Well, I just
Typical
realized
Lucas.
that I forgot to use my brain.
Oh, yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. Classic one, you know?
Oh god. Exactly.
Okay, let's see. No, this one should be correct. Let's see. Yeah, okay, now it's starting to make sense.
Oh god.
Oh,
Harold,
wait.
the default install is NeoVim.
Ew, get that shit out of here.
Exactly. Huh, I changed it, but it didn't work. Okay, that is progress. Normal people would say.
Kuna Matata.
Oh, man.
Why is this not fine? Expected any opaque. Well, I'll just take the... Yeah. Bruh, how could I fuck that shit up? Sulul! There's Sulul! It works, bro, I'm retarded. I swear to God. Oh my god, how could I be so dumb?
How do I? Huh? Like, do I need to refresh the config or just like
Yeah,
way
you
bar?
need to refresh it. Oh,
Like-
I think maybe only waybar. Yeah.
Like, but how? How do I restart?
There's a command for it,
Oh god.
but you're gonna have to ask AI.
Amazing.
Oh god. Update config waybar. I'm a little confused. It didn't felt like it actually did change something. Wait, let me change the value to something higher. Content little menu, configs.
Expected.
I don't know, man. Wait, it changes to 26 again. Huh? So it is like resetting itself.
Expected type void found. Ah. But I cannot have a. Is it or? Can I do that? No. Is it catch? How was it if I cannot? Because I cannot return a void from this.
Do catch, and then capture error, and then you do panic, and then you do error name.
Oh, but I don't want to do that.
No, what do you want to do then?
I just want to return.
Just do catch return.
Still expected type void found type. This thing error set. Error unit error set. Am I doing this retardedly wrong? Like
Let's see.
expected type void found
Um,
type.
Because you're still doing try.
So oh yeah, I forgot. I don't do value of type root entity ignored. Yes. Okay. Well then it's
Yeah.
fine. Yes. I'll just do that. And let's see. Yeah, and then I remove the try. And then I'm just gonna, for now, every time that the player connects, I'm just gonna add it to here. I'm not gonna use anything of the information, but I will still print out.
Harold, I'm even more confused.
You're getting more confused. Well, that's
I saved the
understandable.
config, I left the config, and when I left the config, it was like, yeah, I'm taking the changes now. My
Did
whole
you
thing's
save it?
fucked up. Yeah.
Well, you started restarting your system.
It's small. Very small. Yeah, I don't care.
Oh no! Well, I don't need this. I shouldn't do this in here either way, but I was thinking of just doing some quick tests. Can I somehow get information of the world of how many entities there are or something like that? Do we have such information?
Yes. You can do cell, like, the world.generations.items.len.
Also, can I stream
That
it
will
in my
technically give you the
keyboard,
length.
or-
Okay, amazing.
If you
Okay.
want, I can make an entity count function though.
Yeah, I don't know if there's. Well, I guess it would be a nice thing to have for debugging
Okay,
purposes.
I'll do that
Yeah.
then.
Nice, thanks. Let's see. Fuck, something crashed.
Yeah.
And that's because does not support field access. But is it coming from this thing? Just gonna quickly. Okay, something is not fine right now.
Harold.
Yes?
I'm still confused about how everything in Hyperland works. Some certain
Oh, you
things
will never
is-
learn any of it.
Yeah,
I've been
I
using
know that,
Linux
but
for a
it's
year
still-
and I know like nothing.
I don't like Hyperland. Like some sort of things that just should be there but aren't.
I guess, yeah.
Well, right. That's fine. Still, at that point it shouldn't be null anymore. Because now it should have, bro, I'm retarded again. How retarded is one allowed to be?
Very.
You are.
Yes, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. But like we
You're
all are,
learning
so
from
it's
us.
There.
Yeah.
So now I got that. Amazing. So we can remove this. You can also get rid of that.
I got 1 hour left, guys.
An hour left.
Yo.
And then what happens
Yeah,
after this hour?
technically, I ain't gonna sleep.
Oh.
But like, I technically should go sleep now, to be
Okay.
fair. But like, I don't
Yeah.
want to really.
I should also.
Because I want. Yeah, you need to go sleep. You need to do math and physics.
Yes.
Engineering.
He's back. The guy is back, boys. He's back. Yo,
Which guy?
the guy who helped us fix this shit. But now, bro,
Hey, yo, hello, Mr. Guy.
Mr. Guy.
Yo.
I don't know. I think I'm getting it passed through, but now we're having some other funny issues with the whole ECS skadoosh, which is funny.
Hmm.
I think it's because of. Let's see. Let's pinpoint it.
Harold.
Yeah, it's in the ad. But if you wanna save some brain cells, just change your FFI signal from taking mute to and you don't need the shitty casts. Really? You're joking, right? And maybe don't call pointer when it's literally a struct. It's just as.
Lucas angry.
I'm a tired bro. I'm a tired man.
Then go sleep.
I should be, but I'm so close to just getting a player
Yo, you guys
inserted. The guy
Did
is
Lucas
the Mr. Guy is here.
Oh. Wait, man.
Also, guys, I hope you don't actually hear my like keyboard and stuff like when I type now. I didn't set up anything right now for the audio stuff.
Oh, you here?
Hi.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
I thought my audio broke.
Just.
Hmm.
Huh. Okay.
Okay,
It's
because this
new-
entity count thing you said about is actually like I found out that that's actually a major issue, so I fixed it. So that now there's gonna be a variable on the ECS called entity count.
Okay, but at quick thingy though, bro.
Yes.
When I tried to do an ad, this happens through the callback. Because I'm probably trying to do it through panic index out of bound. Okay, hold on. What? This shouldn't. I just want to do a simple ad. I don't want to do anything else right now. Yeah, it panics. So it goes Zulu and then index out of ban, index and lens 0. Wait, am I just not allocating it? Some.
Oh, I know why.
You know why?
Yeah, it's our good old friend alignment.
But I'm calling it through. Yeah, call convention C. That's Fox.
Yeah, also because if you want to refetch the ECS now, it should have the entity count thing anyways, but yeah, the ECS thingy, yeah, the only way to really get that in a good way is by using any type. And that's not supported through FFI.
So we should just have a global state. Or a global queue.
Well, I suppose, I guess.
Or why can I not
Probably
just...
the global queue.
Yeah, no, that's what I would like to do. But why can I not just...
Well, you
this?
can probably do some magic. And we can do magic.
I think magic
Okay.
could do.
Change out the world thing in the player connect function.
You mean that
Like just rename the thing. Yeah, to just Like, I don't know, just PTR or world PTR or raw world or whatever.
Bruh, PTR.
Okay, great. And now we want to make const world. Yeah, and that's the type of world. Yes, equals. Actually, one thing we probably want to change out raw pointer world to the type of it should be any opaque. Yeah. Okay, great. And then that's equal to at align cast. Well, you should really have a pointer cast before actually. So do PTR cast. I guess. Yeah. PTR cast. Yeah, and then we do at align cast. And then we put in raw PTR. And nothing more. Yeah. Let's see what it's gonna be like. Say. Expected type.
Winter type. Wait, don't I have to do the...
No.
Cannot load opaque type to any of...
Yeah. So we are cooked.
You're not cooked before you have put the stone on.
Ah, yeah.
I pointed to the...
One
bro.
thing before the... What are you doing?
This also needs to be a
Did you just-
pointer.
Oh my god, bro. That was the entire thing?
You know, Mr. Cool Guy said in the chat that we need to do it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I wasn't... I was barely awake, man.
So we're gonna have Zulu
Oh,
1
damn, it's late.
and Zulu 2. Is there anything else, or should this maybe work?
Just try it.
Yeah, I have to change a few things. This one also needs to be any opaque in here. Like so. Let's see. Okay, well, Zulu 2 went through, so it did work with the cast, but it still says index 0, length 0. So it broke here again. If I do a Zulu 3, I think we won't get Zulu 3. Where the fuck?
Yeah, I think you're just gonna have to make a queue.
No, bro, I don't want to make a queue now. We got it so far. Wait, Zulu 3 went through. What the fuck is the issue? What? How is that possible?
Where does it crash?
Where does it crash?
Look at the bottom. Alloc query. Alloc query. Yeah, function alloc query at line 89.
Wait.
Yes, go to line 89. Yeah.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Am I just out of memory?
Don't think you should be.
But this, okay, so was it ever the issue? The callback?
That is a good question.
Let's see. And I will just go, I should probably read those error messages, but I was like, that is not what I'm working on, you know? Bro. Okay, so it's something with the alloc for the while loop.
Yeah, I can run it and I can read the error. Well, it's just signature.
Yeah, signature.
Wait.
Panic index out of bounds. But this happens when I add a, like if I don't call add from here. Wait, wow. Here. If I don't do an add, well, we'll have to do world then. Right? And it's fine. But if I add an entity, then it breaks.
I see.
Items found. What is signature of add?
Of add, it takes in nothing and returns an entity.
Yeah. This, well, self. But it still adds it.
Yeah, sure. It like adds memory and all of that. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, let me try. What if I just do this and then I go? Yeah, I can still connect with multiple ones. It's still fine and it adds them. But as soon as I try to query for them, then it breaks. Which is not fun.
What are you ad hoc querying for? Like, what are you trying to query?
Oh yeah, but bro, they don't have anything. So when I try to query for a transform, there's no entity with the transform. But
I mean, that
should...
could be it, I guess.
Yeah, but I don't think. Could you also add it so it doesn't crash if you try to query for something that doesn't?
Yeah. I should
That would be
probably
nice.
do
Thank
that.
you so much, bro. These are funny. Okay, but it still crashes. Okay. But is it now because of the... Wait, let's see if I just do this. Now I'm just gonna add a transform to the thing. Oh, but now I'm trying to pass. I still have to do this. Still, wait. What's the issue now? Has no member. What? Error root has no member. World signature in itself. We should have the... Has no member. Okay, I'm just gonna do if world. And I'm gonna take this side off. Wait, what? Ah. No, wait. Isn't this how you do it? Like, isn't... Oh, it's like that. And then I should be able to just go straight with that. No? Ah, okay. Okay, let's see. So now I can take the query back in here, maybe. Let's see. Now there should be. No, because I connect before I probably start doing the while loop before I have connected, and then it fails. Can I do a sleep in here? Is there a like sleep option in?
std.thread.sleep.
And I'll just put that. I think that should be more than enough. No, let's do 3. But that wasn't sleeping for 3 seconds. Well, maybe because it failed somewhere else.
One thing, Lucas. So I did the little test,
Mhm.
and when I have like when I try to query for something that isn't set,
Yeah.
it doesn't do anything. It just returns an empty array.
Huh. Why do I get panic index out of bound?
Yeah.
0 length 0. Okay, but now I have the issue because it's not. I think I can run this right. But now I don't get the issue. What do I get the issue if I compile? I don't even get to this part of the program and it crashes. But what? Huh?
Well, I'm gonna go now because it's late.
Yeah, I should also go.
Yeah, we've been streaming for like 2.5 hours.
Yeah, alright, we'll continue again tomorrow. We're getting there, we're getting there.
Yes, slowly but surely.
Alright, good night
getting close.
everybody. We'll continue on tomorrow with this epic battle of trying to FFI stuff. I should put that as the thumbnail and
Yeah.
title.
FFI stuff.
Bye
Yes.
bye.
Walter,
Walter.
put your dick away, Walter.